Have you ever wondered how artists make stamp patterns and texture brushes look natural in their digital art? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to make it look accurate using one of the transform tools in Procreate. Let's assume you want to add lace patterns to your character with a lace stamp brush. First, you'll want to add a clipping layer, then add the pattern in the desired direction. Then we want to go to the warp tool option and choose the advanced mesh option to get more pull points so you can get full control over your pattern. Pull in directions that simulates the perspective and form of the part you're placing your patterns. It'll look so much more accurate and believable that there's actually form under that lace. Another tip artists should know is how to use fabric stamp brushes. To add the fabric patterns, if you have a fabric image, is the same as adding a stamp brush. You add the clipping mask layer, choose the proper direction, go to the warp tool's advanced mesh, make your adjustments. Here's the big difference. Because you're going to light your base colors of the clothing under the fabric texture, you're going to change the blend mode of the layer. This is because the blend mode will allow the pattern layer to adhere to the lighting of your lighting layers. Another way to use the transform tool is for building window brushes. You'll add a clipping mask and stamp your brush, and then adjust the perspective by using the distort brush until you get the correct perspective. Really simple. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video at all helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.